If you need to delete a Calendly event, whether it's because you no longer use it, you want to clean up your scheduling page, or you simply created the wrong event type, this video will walk you through the process step by step. I'll keep it simple, fast, and beginner-friendly so you can follow along without any confusion. And if this video helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, log into your Calendly account. Once you're signed in, you'll want to go to the main dashboard where all of your scheduling tools and event types are listed. From there, click on Scheduling. This is the area where Calendly keeps your event types, so it's the right place to manage or remove anything you no longer need. Next, find the event type you want to delete. If you have several different event types, take a moment to make sure you're opening the correct one. This is important because once you delete an event type, it's meant to be removed from your scheduling setup. After you open the event type, look for the More menu. This is usually where Calendly hides extra actions like editing, duplicating, or deleting the event. Click that menu and then select Delete. Calendly will usually ask you to confirm before it removes the event, so make sure you read the prompt carefully. If you're sure you want to continue, confirm the deletion. And that's it. Your Calendly event type will be deleted and it will no longer appear in your scheduling options. If you had links or workflows connected to that event, you may want to double check those afterward to make sure everything is still set up the way you want. That's the full process for deleting a Calendly event type. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more quick tech guides, and I'll see you in the next one.